Hi, this is Julie with Beadaholique. I have something so fun on my table today. This is a show and tell, but this is a show and tell of a grab bag. So this is Beadaholique's Mr. Kitty's Big Bead Bonanza. So this is essentially a random grab bag of beads that you can order. And you get a ton of them. So let me start by saying that each and every one of these is going to be different. So the one you're looking at right now is one that I ordered and is a sample that I got, but yours is going to be different. It will always vary, but that's the fun of it. You never know what you're going to get. It's a surprise. It's like a wonderful mystery bag. But I do want to show you an example of what one might contain and the size of it, because I think it's fun to see the size of it. So let me open this up and see what we got. I have not opened this up before, so this is new to me as well. So I am opening it for the very first time, and I'm gonna see what we got. So I see that there's this beautiful ribbon in here to begin with. Oh, there's gonna be some beads that come out when I look at this. Okay, so I got this really pretty ribbon, so we can do a bracelet with that or a necklace of some sort. So I'll put that off to the side, and then I'm just gonna dump this out so we can see everything that we're gonna get. Again, yours is gonna be different, but this is a good example of what is in here. And I'm gonna kind of go through this and see what I can find. All right, so there's something in a baggie here. Oh, there's chain. Okay, so there's a 3 on it. So I'm gonna guess that that is 3 feet. That looks like it to me. So this is a really nice chain. So that would be great for making earrings or a necklace. Lots of fun we can do with that. Okay, I'll put that, actually I'm gonna just put that off to the side up here. And then we've got some really pretty pearls. So I'm noticing some different colors of pearls. And there's even some different shapes, which is nice. So we see those nice big pearls. And there's a couple of these ones. So I definitely am thinking earrings. I could do a couple different pairs of earrings with these. And then I see there's some smaller pearls here that are rounds. Okay, so I'm kind of here designing as I'm going, thinking what I can do with these guys. So I definitely see some earrings in that. And then there's these pretty beads here. So these are nice and big. They've got some nice scale to them and they're glass. And there looks to be in my bag a bunch of them. So this could be a really nice necklace. Okay, so I'm looking at that. And then there's another one of those big, beautiful beads. So I am seeing a lot of different shapes of 2-hole beads that I can experiment with. So I am seeing some crescents. I am seeing some little triangles. Oh my gosh. Lots of different 2-hole bead shapes and colors. So if you're a fan of doing bead weaving with 2-hole beads, this would be a great opportunity to experiment with some of these shapes that maybe you haven't worked with before, because it's going to give you some assortment here, which is nice. All right, and I see lots of seed beads in here too. And I see, like, here's a little sparkly bicone. Oh, there's more of these. Okay, so if you just kind of pick through here, these are little crystal bicones I'm seeing, and more pearls, small pearls, more bicones. So hopefully you're able to see this pretty well up here. I see some check glass beads, lots of seed beads down in here too, some bigger ones as well as some smaller ones. And then I just saw something, oh yeah, all of these crystal spacers. So these are neat too. So just a ton. Let me try to hold this up. Oh, and then I didn't even see these big beads. Okay, so just a ton of really cool, let's put this closer so you can see it. Really fun beads, cool shapes, all different colors, all different sizes. So lots and lots to play with. And I can hear some falling on my floor, so I'm definitely gonna have to go pick them up. But really fun beads. You get a ton of them. And then I was surprised to get ribbon and chain. So I guess you never know what you're gonna get in here. So a lot of fun stuff. And this again is Mr. Kitty's Big Bead Bonanza, and it's a fun grab bag available at beadaholique.com.